What's up there, YouTube? Welcome back with me, CalH45, with another video. Today, as you probably can see from the title, is I've got and pretty much like a new toy, you could say. It's coming in the post on Friday. Just got a chance to do the video now. So it is a GoPro. It's second hand, this one. I haven't bought it brand new. A bit too expensive brand new. So let's see what we've got in the pack itself. It's coming in the case. So what we've got is the actual GoPro itself. It's the GoPro Hero 3 Plus. And it's watertight casing. Cover on when it's not working, so we can pop it open using the little catch on top here. Pull on the back door. We can slide the GoPro out. Close it back up. There's a little lip on there, and you just push it down. That's a bit better, makes it a bit brighter. There we go. Well, Hero 3 Plus GoPro by GoPro. So we've got the GoPro. Oh, what I'm just going to do is move this bag out of the way. And we can lay out the items on the floor. So we've got the housing, we've got the GoPro itself. We've got another housing, spare housing, with the touchscreen back on, which will be revealed in a minute. So we've got two housings, the GoPro, another touchscreen back door. Then we have the LED touchscreen display. Then we'll go on to the batteries. We've got 7 of these batteries. They're not by GoPro, they're by, don't know who they're by, it just says battery pack. So we've got 7 of the non-GoPro batteries. And we've got 2 GoPro batteries. We've got the anti-frost stickers for the housing. We've got the little quick release kind of lock. We've got a short thumb screw. That's a long one. This is a short thumb screw. Looks like a wrist mount, possibly. Not sure which one this one is, but one of them. We've got the other empty kind of housing one. We have a USB for the mini SD card. We have a lens cap for when the camera's not being used, if it's not sitting in any of the housing. We've got 2 mini SD card and converters, one 4GB and one 34GB. Then we've got a tripod mount for it with a long thumb screw and like a monopole, which we can twist and pull out, getting it to be longer if we want. got that. I'm not sure what this is. To be totally honest with you. Got a bit in and another USB out. I think it's just like an extra booster or something. We've got the 90-degree turns. We've got 2 there. And 2 bigger ones. Longer ones. Then we have another monopod with the tripod attachment. Twist like that and obviously it goes out. Can't get it all in camera shot. Quite long, it's 1.4 meters. It can extend to. And we have another tripod mount, as well as one being on the white casing. And obviously we have the case for it and all. And obviously to get the batteries in the GoPro there's a little switch here. Just tip it that way, the back door will fall out. You can get that. Here's one of the GoPros. Just slot the battery in there like that. And click it in place. And to turn it on. Let's hold that. Flash up. As you can see on the display it's coming up. There's no SD card in it, so we can't do all. Different type of pictures. We've got time lapse. Got settings, and go back into video. And but if you turn it over you can't actually see what the camera's seeing, so if we grab the LED display and attach that, it comes up and you can see what's being displayed on the camera. Then just obviously to turn it off again, push an old power mode button. He says, there we go, beep, 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 beep. And then it's off, and now what we can do is put back off, then put it back in. But if you want to put it into a housing, so say we didn't want it in the red and we wanted it in this one, but this has got the one with the LED display. We'll just open that and just gently, got to be a bit rough apparently, pull it off like that. Get that one. But we've done that with that being on. He says, famous last words. Click. That's in place on the thing now. But now what we do, slide the GoPro into its housing, shut that up, clip it down, and what we can do is turn it on. You can yeah, it's not as loud, but we still can touch the touch screen when it's in the mode. So that is pretty good. That button will also turn it off. That. There. So it says, oh, you can just turn it off by there, which is a proper way. And there you go. That is the GoPro Hero 3 Plus, which is new to the edition and is going to be used in few of the videos, especially on the railway, it's going to be highly used on that, and for the close-up shots and stuff, which the camera what I was recording now, where that can't get. And anyway, so we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for further content. See you in the next video, guys.